Sugarcane! Have you seen a garden? This is a garden. Here's some jujube. Then there are a lot of stuff in this garden. I can't even name all of them. What is this? Spiky cucumber. It's a spiky cucumber. Oh wow. Let's put you in the basket. Is there any other? Oh yes, there is. Then we have another one. There we have it. Whoa. Is there any more? Let's move on to this plant. Let's cut out this one first. Let's put it in. There is another one over here. Attention please, that cucumber I was trying to reach, I wasn't able to reach. Sorry to let your hips down. Other ones. Oh, this one over here. And let me try doing this one again. There we are. There's a few more I just saw. Oh, there's one up over here. There is one over here. Yep, there's one more cucumber over here. But can I show you something? Look at these. These feel like plastic. Here are some tomatoes over here. Then here are the tomato flowers, which turn into tomatoes. Then here are some blue flowers, same as over here. Now there's some chili. There's chili over here. Then here we have some rhubarb. Now let's cut this one. It's very spiky, this one. There are two okras over here. One over here, one over here. This one is overgrown, so I'm going to cut this one off. It's very hairy, as you can see. Should we go? Are these ready? Potatoes. I can see some beetroot. I can see a beetroot which is ready. Ta-da! Now let's come down. Here is my finding, beetroot number 1. And let's put it in our harvest basket. What are these? I suppose we can get some. Here, these are very heavy. And there is one more over here. The yellow one is overgrown. The yellow one is very overgrown. This one. Oh, there's one all the way over here. Yep. There we go. This was the thinnest of them all. Look at these stairs of unready tomatoes. These are not ready to harvest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then there's some over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's 5. And then there's 1, 2, 3. And then one lonely one over here. 4. There's something hiding in the bushes. And it's a cucumber. Let's get it. This is a cucumber. There's one up there. The cameraman is going to take it. Someone realized an insect has eaten here. It's not safe to eat anymore. Let's throw it. Hey guys, I could do a karate chop. Oh, it's split into thirds now. Oh, can I tell you the secret? It was already split in half, and when I did the karate chop, it split into 3 parts. Now let's chuck them in the bin. Here is an aerial shot of the mostly cucumber basket of harvest. Let's flick through the images of these plants. The truly just happened, and this is a close-up image of the cucumber. Here's another cucumber. You can see the spikes. Here is some tomato plants and some more cucumbers. Here are the tomatoes themselves. Some more cucumbers and tomato flowers. Here are some okra. Then here's some okra close-up. Here is some chili. Cool. There will be more videos like this with me. If you want to see them in the future, which will then get uploaded, please join the channel community by subscribing and ringing the information bell. Also, if possible, please leave a comment and share this video.